Bronze Age saw the first approach to welding with forging and hammering. Metal was heated until malleable, without melting, and then hammered together. This technique allowed the creation of weapons and armor. In the Middle Age, blacksmiths and craftsmen perfected the techniques of torch welding and forging. This allowed greater control over temperature, and welding began to be used in the construction of cathedrals and other monuments. The Industrial Revolution was a turning point in the history of welding thanks to the development of the electric arc in the 19th century. This technique was much faster and more efficient, and spread rapidly around the world as it made it possible to manufacture lighter and more durable products. In the 20th century, MIG and TIG welding were developed, allowing for better quality and more durable welding. MIG welding spread rapidly in the construction and automotive industries, while TIG welding became popular in large constructions such as the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. Currently, there is a shortage of welders worldwide to meet the demands of industry. Today, welding has entered a new era thanks to the launch of the first augmented reality welding simulator, Soldomatic. Soldomatic has revolutionized welding training around the world, drastically reducing the costs, material consumption, and risks associated with traditional training, with an updated methodology and the use of green technology. Automation in welding is already a reality in industry today and in the future. Welding robots are widely used, which has increased efficiency and precision in metal joining. These new trends require a new generation of industrial workers prepared and trained for this new era.